Hello, we shall be discussing on pedigree analysis. The analysis of a particular trait through several generations of a family is called pedigree analysis. And the graphic representation, this is the graphic representation of the pedigree analysis. So the graphic representation of the record of an inheritance of trait in the family for several generations is called pedigree chart. Now, under this pedigree chart, we will be discussing on the inheritance of autosomal recessive trait. Now, autosomal here refers to the body chromosome, that is autosome, and recessive here refers to the trait which is expressed only when they are in homozygous form. So, let's take an example. There are two R, small r. When this small r together, they are in homozygous form, and when they are in this form, they are in heterozygous form. So the recessive trait expressed only when they are in homozygous form. Now, to understand this, round indicates female, box indicate male, and the line that is between them indicates the marriages, intermarriage, and round with this black color or blue color indicates the infected. So this shows that the female is infected with sickle cell anemia. And here this is male, and male with a dash inside. This refers to the infected male, and this refers to infected female. This refers to infected female. These are the symbolic representation which is shown in the pedigree analysis. Now, this sickle cell anemia is a autosomal recessive trait, and in this graphic representation it is shown that this female is being affected by the sickle cell anemia. Now, I told you that sickle cell anemia, this is an autosomal recessive trait and will express only when it is in homozygous recessive form. So for this, let's take two small a. Let's say that these are the gene which is expressing for sickle cell anemia, and these are in homozygous form. This married with the male, and in this case there is no representation whether it is carrier or normal. So we will take this as the normal male. So we don't know that this is in dominant or either in heterozygous form. So here dominant means there is no sickle cell disease. In heterozygous form means there is a dominant and there is a particular gene, this small gene, which is indicating the sickle cell anemia in the recessive form. So since this child, that is male, is being affected with sickle cell anemia, this gene will occur here. This male will get one gene from here and also one gene from either of these. So since sickle cell anemia is a disease which express only in homozygous form, homozygous recessive form, so there is only possibility is that the father will have this heterozygous A, so that A small will come and fuse with the small a of the mother. Here also this is being infected, so one A will be coming from father, one A will be coming from mother. So this shows that this male and female are fully affected by the sickle cell anemia. Here they may have either A and A or AA, but here the possibility is that the mother is affected with sickle cell anemia, so one will be coming from mother, one will be coming from father. So the dominant from the father has mask or dominated over the small a that is carrying the sickle cell disease. Here this is the child. So these are the four child that is arising from the marriage of the male and father and mother. So this is also normal. So one will be coming from mother and the dominant A will be coming from father. So in this case also the big A has dominated the small a which is carrying the sickle cell disease. Now this male enters into marriage with another female. Now in this diagram it is shown that all the children are normal. In this case we don't know whether the female is in dominant A or in heterozygous form, but since these are in normal form, it is sure that all will have capital A, capital A, capital A. So one will be coming from mother. This all capital A is coming from mother, and there is sure that this will be coming, there will be small a, where doing fertilization one part will be coming from mother, one part will be coming from father. So in order to form this offspring, one has come from mother and one has come from father. So these are the possibility that the offspring will be carrying the gene. So they are all normal but in heterozygous form. So the possibility of the genes that the mother will be carrying is this will be the dominant gene will be possibility, because if it is in heterozygous form, this small a will also come and fuse with the father one. So father A and mother small a means it will give rise to sickle cell anemia. But since these are all in normal, so the only possibilities is that this mother will be in homozygous dominant gene. Now the third one is this mother. This mother is also affected with AA. So the possibility in this case is there is two possibility, either in male will be in dominant or male will be in recessive form. I mean the heterozygous form, homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant. So one child is getting infected by the disorder called the sickle cell anemia. So one gene from mother, one gene from father. So there is also possibility, this is, so the possibility that the gene that will be present in the father will be in heterozygous again, because one A is coming from mother, small a will be coming from father. And as we know that this sickle cell anemia disease is expressed in the homozygous form, so the only possibility that the father that the gene will be present in father is in heterozygous form. So this child will have A from mother, capital A from father. This will also have A from mother, capital A from father. So these are the carrier. A sickle cell gene is present in them, but it's been dominated by the normal gene. Here also it's same. So this is how the autosomal recessive traits are being inherited from one generation to other.